Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new update from Instagram where you can now pin your post on your profile. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need the tutorial. I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. So this is a new update from Instagram where you can now pin your best post to the top of your profile page. This is a similar feature in TikTok where you can pin your very best video to the top so viewers can find it easily. So let me show you how to do this. Before we begin, first make sure you update your app to the latest version. You can do this by going into the App Store or the Play Store. Once you have updated the app, go ahead and open the app. Next, tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then scroll through the post and decide which post you want to pin to the top of your profile view. Tap on the post to view it. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Then tap on Pin to Profile. Now, when you go back to the profile view, you can see the post pinned to the top of your profile page. Another way of pinning post is by long pressing on a post. Once you do that, you should see this menu appear. Tap on Pin to Profile, and that post will then be pinned to the profile page. And that is how to pin a post on your Instagram profile. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.